Hi class, today we will be visiting a website that will help us with the United States geography as well as the capitals of the states. The first thing we want to do is open up an internet window. We're going to go to the search bar, highlight what's in there, and press delete. Now we'll type in www.shepherd.com/web_games.htm and press enter. This brings us to a website all about the United States. There's multiple games with multiple levels. There's beginner levels, intermediate levels, expert, cartographer, cartographer plus, explorer, explorer plus, geographer, and master geographer. Right now we're only going to play the beginner. The first one we're going to visit is the Capitals beginner game. We're going to press play.
Montpelier.
As you can hear, the game will announce a capital and you have to match it with the correct state. So, for the capital, the state whose capital is Montpelier, I'm going to guess Vermont.
Boston.
I was correct. Over here on the left side of the screen, it gives you information on that state's capital. So you can read all about Montpelier in Vermont. So the next question is, whose capital is Boston? I'm going to choose Massachusetts.
Hartford.
I was correct. And again, it gives you information on Boston. Whose capital is Hartford? I'm going to choose Maine.
Oh.
Oops, that's incorrect. The game gives you another chance to choose the correct answer. So, once you think harder, you can guess that Connecticut is the state. So,
Augusta.
I was correct. Now, whose capital is Augusta? Maine.
Providence.
The state whose capital is Providence is Rhode Island.
Concord.
And the capital of New Hampshire is Concord.
Richmond.
Now the game will give me a whole other section of states to choose from for choosing capitals. Eventually, all of the states will be given to you once you complete the different levels. Okay, let's press the back button and return to the main game website. Now we're going to play the states game. So press play.
Connecticut.
This game announces the state name and you have to choose what state it is on the map. Right now it gives us the New England states, so we have to choose what state is Connecticut from over here. I'm going to choose this one.
Vermont.
I was correct, and over here it will give you information on the state and where the name came from and more information. Now, clicking on Vermont.
New Hampshire.
New Hampshire. I'm going to guess that this is New Hampshire.
Oh.
Oops, I'm incorrect. It'll give me another chance to try again.
Rhode Island.
Right there. Rhode Island is right here.
Massachusetts.
Massachusetts is here.
Maine.
And Maine is right here.
New Jersey.
Now it gives you the option of choosing from mid-Atlantic states. As you progress through the game, again, just like on the capitals, it'll give you more and more states to choose from, and eventually you will name all of the states in the United States. We can click back, and we're back to the home page. Now, as you feel more and more comfortable with the capitals of the states and where the states go on the map, you can move up more and more levels, but make sure you feel comfortable on the beginner level before you progress to intermediate or expert. I hope you use this site and it will help you with studying the geography of the United States.